recording. Okay, cool. I hope yesterday's question you have practiced. Okay, today also we'll do the same question. Do the same question. Just next. All right. So I'll just take out a question called coin change 2. Okay, it is similar question but little next level. Okay, so coin change 1, coin change 2. It is both similar, almost similar, but little bit changed. I hope I'm audible to you all. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. All right, let's wait for verification. Is the screen visible? Is the screen visible? Okay. Uh, how many questions did you reach, Sneha and Nanashri? How many questions you reached? Sneha, how many questions you reached? Sneha, how much?
Yes.
How many questions you reached?
Check, sir.
Nanashri,
302, sir.
302. Okay, good. Uh, Yamuna,
110.
110. Okay, cool. All right. Okay, so everyone read this question. We'll just solve two question today. Okay, not much, just two question. And tomorrow also we'll solve if class is there. If I'm traveling, I can't. Maybe I might travel. I'll tell you. I'll let you know. Okay. So 2 more days will solve dynamic programming. We have solved I'm sure you have known the basic fundamental of what is dynamic programming, okay, and how it works. So I'll continue with that. Here yesterday we have solved coin change problem. Yes, today also we'll just solve the same coin change problem, but the only difference is amount is 5 here, and you have a unlimited coins. Yesterday's coins was how much minimum coin you have to pick, right? What is the minimum change you have to make from those available coins? But here what we'll do is we will find how many ways you can make that amount. Okay, for example, amount is 5 and you have to find out how many ways are there by which you can make this possible. Okay, and there are infinite coins are there. So one infinite coins are there, two infinite coins are there, and five infinite coins are there. You have to find how many ways by which you can find. There are 4 ways. For example, 5 you can make with 5 also. Someone has on the audio. Can you just off the audio? Sneha, your audio is on. Can you off it for me? Sneha, are you there?
Sir.
Yeah, no issue. So off the audio for now. Okay, cool. So, so 5 you can make with 1 5, also one way. 5 also you can make it 2 2 1. Also you can make it 2 1 plus 1 plus 1. Also you can make 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how many ways are there? 4 ways are there. Okay, 4 ways are there to make 1 5. 2 3, amount is 3, coin is 2. How many ways you can make? 0 ways. Okay, 0 ways because nothing you can take. Okay, the amount of 3 cannot be made just used with coins of 2, so it is not possible. 10 you can make 10 using 1 ways. Clear? Clear? Here you are checking ways. Are you clear with the question? Is everyone clear with the question? Sneha, did you check how many questions you did?
So my internet is very low, sir. I'm checking, sir. I will inform you,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
In
yeah, yeah,
some.
yeah, fine. Okay, cool. So here you need to find basically ways, okay, ways by which or permutation or combination. I'm not sure, not good at maths, but it is a ways you need to find. Okay, so now tell me, guys. Okay, let me now move to the screen. Am I audible? Can you see the screen? Tell me yes or no. Can you see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Now see, I'm asking you a simple question. In order to make zero amount, in order to make zero amount, zero amount, how many ways are there? Tell me, how many ways are there? How many ways are there? How many ways are there? If I ask you 0 rupees, how many ways you can give 0 rupees? Tell me. Huh?
No.
How many ways you can give?
Sir, no way, because we cannot give 0 rupees, no, sir.
No way. No way. Sneha
Sir, we
Nanish,
cannot give anyone 0 rupees.
you cannot give 0 anyone. But if I ask you 0 rupees, can't you give? Can't you give 0
No,
rupees?
sir.
You can just say, right, I have given you 0 rupees. That's it, right? What else is needed? If I am asking you 0 rupees, you can just say, yes, take it 0 rupees. So, see, even the way of not taking, not giving anything is also one way. One way. Not giving is also one way. See, staying alive is one way, okay? Even dying is one way. Even how to die is one way. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? This is also one possibility, isn't it? Not giving is also a possibility. If giving is a possibility, not giving is also a possibility. How many possibility? One possibility. Are you getting the logic? Are you
Yes,
getting the
sir.
logic? Yes. How many ways you can reach? Okay. So 0 means you don't need to give anything. That is also one way. Okay. So answer is way, possibility. One way is there. Okay. Now what I'll do is someone is coming on and off. I think Sneha, is your internet having issue?
Sir.
For now, just watch
No,
it.
sir.
Yeah.
Nanashi.
Okay, Nanish. For now, you just watch it. Okay. Try to. Okay. So observe. Everyone observe. First, what I'll do is, what was the coin? First example. Tell me. Do you remember what was the first example? Amount was 5, and what was the coin available? Amount was
125.
5, and coin available was 1, 2, 5. Answer was 4. 4 ways are there, right? 4 ways are there. Let's check it out. How 4 ways are there? Okay. So first, I will do what? Amount. I will make a DP. Of size what, guys? Of size what? I'll make a DP of size 5 plus 1, 6. Why 5 plus 1? Because 0 is also one way, 1 is also one way, 2 is also one way, 3 is also one way, 4 is also one way, and 6 is also one way, 5 is also one way. So total number 6. Am I clear with this? Always plus 1. Always plus 1. Clear with this? Clear with this? Tell me yes or no. I can't see you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, in order to make zero amount, how many ways are required? How many ways are required? How many ways are required?
One way.
Huh? How many ways are required? How many ways are required? I just told you.
One way.
One way.
One, sir.
Yes, one way. For zero, you need one way. Not giving is also a way. If someone tells you they like you, either you can accept them, or either you can reject them. Rejecting is also an option. Accepting is also an option. Okay, so giving some money is also an option. Not giving any of money is also an option. Okay, I'm talking about ways. How many ways? So zero, not giving anything is also a way. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Okay. So now first I will keep everything zero. Okay, just leaving one, the first one I'll keep everything zero. Okay, now I will traverse one by one coin as yesterday I was traversing one by one coin, right? So I'll start with first coin. What is the first coin available to me?
One.
1. So now I'll change from amount 1. Okay, so I'll change that amount to 1 by, my formula is, everyone observe, first I'll write the formula and then I'll explain you what does it mean. So my formula is d of that amount equal to d of that amount, the previous amount, plus d of amount minus coin. Okay, this is the formula. What do I mean by that? Observe here. First of all, let's say I can change the amount 1, isn't it? I can't change amount 0 by coin 1. So if I am having coin 1, I can change the amount 1, right? So amount 1 is amount 1, the previous amount, plus, if I have that amount, so my amount is 1 right now, and my coin is 1 right now. So 1 minus 1, what is 1 minus 1?
Zero.
0. So my previous amount is 0. 0 plus d of 0. What is d of 0? What is d of
One.
0? D of 0 is, so see, this is amount minus 1, right? Amount is 1, coin is 1. So d of 0, what is d of 0? It is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So my way is 1. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? This means if I have 1 rupee, 1 amount to pay to someone, and if I have 1 rupee change, then there is only one way to give it to that person. That is 1 rupee note. The total amount I am subtracting from with the coin. So my amount is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So in order to pay that 0, how many ways are required? So in order to pay that 0, I went in the past and I saw, in order to pay 0, I required one amount, right? And already previously here d of a was 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Am I clear, everyone? Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now tell me for 2. For 2, what will be the case? Just apply this formula. Just apply this formula. Apply this formula. Amount is 2, coin is still 1. Tell me.
2.
D of A. What is D of A? What is D of A?
2.
Previous. D of amount. What is D of amount? Previous amount. What is previous amount? D of 2. What is D of 2? DP of 2.
0.
0. 0. 0 plus 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? Amount is 2, coin is 1. So 2 minus 1 is DP of 1. What is DP of 1? 1. It is also 1.
1.
Why it is 1? Because if I am asking you 2 rupees and you are just having 1 rupee coins, how many ways are there? Only one way is there. That is 2 1 rupee coin you will give. Only one way is there. Are you understanding? Are you understanding?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. Now tell me for 3. For 3 amount, what will be the case? For 3 amount, what will be the case? Just think logically. What will be the case of 3? I am asking you 3
2,
rupees.
sir.
I am asking you 3 rupees. You have just 1 rupee note. 1 rupee change. How many ways you can give?
1 way.
One way it is. 1 plus 1 plus 1. There is no other way you can give me because you are having just 1 rupee note. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Previous one plus amount minus coin. That's it. Previous. What is previous? 0. 0 is the previous. And you just have 1 rupee coin. So what you do? Amount minus coin. So one way. Again 5 is also one way. How? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 ways. Clear? Clear with this? Clear with this?
Sir, could you please explain how, like, you told, like, the formula there. So previous amount will be 1, and if it is 3 rupees, amount is 3, minus 1,
Yes,
it will be
sir.
2. So 2 plus, could you explain that part, sir?
See. Which one? DP of which one?
DP when the amount is 3.
Okay, 3. So earlier what was the amount? Earlier what was the amount?
1.
How 1? It is 0. I have initialized with 0, isn't it?
Sorry, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
It was 0. So the amount, initial amount was 0. DP of 3 is 0. 0 plus, if 3 amount is 3 and you are having 1 rupee coin, it is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Now you have to find dp of 3 minus 1. What is dp of 3 minus 1? dp of 3 minus 1 is 2. So in order to make 2, how many ways are required? It is one way. So 0 plus 1 way is what? 1. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Everything is 1. The previous ways, these are number of ways. Don't think it is anything else. It is number of ways. So previous way was 0. 0 plus 1 way because of dp of amount minus coin. So you have only 1 rupee. I am asking you 3 rupees. You have only 1 rupee. So what you will do? 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is just one way. One way. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. Now see, I will go to 2. Now, what amount I can change? Tell me. What amount I can change? From which amount I can change? From which amount I can change?
2.
2. Because I have 2 rupee coin now. There is no point of changing 1. Amount 1 I can't change with 2 rupee coin. Okay, so 2 amount 2. What was the previous amount, guys? dp of 2. What is dp of 2? What is dp of 2?
1.
1. Already one way is there. Plus 2 minus 2. This time amount is 2 and coin is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. So if you change, amount is 2 and coin is 2. So if you do, it is 0. dp of 0. What is dp of 0? It is 1. So previous one was 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So now you will change this with 2. Are you understanding? So basically you have now 1 and 2 rupee coin. Now you can either give 1 plus 1 or either 2. There are two ways. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me for 3. 3 what you will do? For 3 what you will do?
2 ways.
How 2 ways? How 2 ways? D of amount of A is 1. 1 plus D of 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2?
1.
1. dp of 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Yeah, you are correct. It is 2 ways. Now 2 ways. What are the 2 ways for making 3? Tell me. For
2
making
plus
3.
1, 1 plus 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2. These are the only 2 ways. Okay. So how we are getting? The previous means if you are having just 1 rupee, one way you can do. Okay. Now you are adding 2 rupees coin. 2 rupees you have. Now so what you are doing? That amount you are exchanging with 2 rupee note. Are you understanding the formula? Behind the formula, what is the logic? Earlier one
Yes, sir.
way you were having. So what was the way? One way there it was, right? Now you are having 2 rupee coin. So what you are doing? You are taking the amount and you are subtracting the coin. So 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? It is dp of 1. dp of 1 means you are going and checking in order to make dp of 1. How many ways were needed? It is 1. So 1 plus previous. Previous means 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Clear? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now in order to make 4, tell me. dp of 4 was 1 plus 4 minus 2 is
3
4,
ways.
4 minus 2 is 2. So dp of 2 is 2. So it is 3 ways. Can you tell me what are the ways? So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is one way. 2 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 plus 1. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
5. Tell me 5. What are the ways?
3 ways.
So basically 1 plus 5 minus 2 is 3. So base 2 plus 1 is 3. Got it? Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Now you have 5 rupee coin. With 5 what you will change? With 5 what you will change?
Yes.
How much amount you can change with 5 rupee coin?
Only one, the last one.
Last one. Others you can't change because amount 5 you can change. So what you will do is 3 previous value
4
plus
ways.
5 minus 5 is 0. dp of 0 is 1. So ultimately it is 4 answer. Got it? Now the last answer, amount 5, answer will be stored here. So you just return this amount. Got the logic, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you need to practice all these questions. Okay, this is uh, like difficult in order to guess the formula if you are doing it for the first time. But as you keep going on, as you keep practicing the questions, you will get it. Okay, this is how I need to do. It is number of ways I am storing it before. I just have to update the count. Okay, so formula will come by practice. Don't try to find it you yourself. Everyone practices and can, they understand the thing, and next time they can solve it. Okay, it's not like we are inventing the formula, nothing like that. Okay, so I'll write the code. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Tell me yes or no. Yes. So first what I'll do is dp I'll create. What is dp? 0 into amount plus 1. Why plus 1? Because 0 is also required, so you create that many amount. Okay, now after creating, you just make sure that dp of 0 equal to 1, because making 0 money, making 0 amount is also one way. Now for I in coins, for c in coins, what I'll do for amount in range, where to where? From C, from that coin to amount plus 1. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Amount. Only from that coin I can change. Whatever the coin value is, I can change from that coin. Lower than that, I can't change. Okay. Now, what I'll do is dp of amount I'll change. It is dp of previous amount plus dp of amount minus coin. That's it. At the end, return dp of amount. It is very simple if you understand it. It is short, very short, not very much long. Done. Everyone observe it now. Observe it. Tell me if you are having any doubt. If not, we'll move to next question. Observe it, everyone. Observe it. Tell me if you are having any doubt. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Code is very simple, right? Just a second, guys. Just a second. Just a second, okay? 2 minutes. Okay. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right? Okay, we'll move to next question. Okay. Move to next question. Next question is not there in the. Here I'll change. Check just rod cutting. Cutting a pizza. Cut a stick. Okay, here they're asking minimum, but actually I have to. Okay, I'll just take out that question. It is rod cutting. It is also a classic question in Geeks for Geeks. It is there. First, let's understand the question. Can you guys see the screen? Yes. Okay. Now check it out, everyone. Check it out. Given a rod of length n, what is the rod of length n, an array price, okay, price I denotes the price of piece of length I. So basically what is the length here? It is 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, length is 8, total 8. Determine the maximum amount obtained by cutting the rod into pieces and selling the pieces. Uh, okay, so price 0 is always 0. Okay, price, if you have to sell length 0, the price will also always be 0. Okay, now observe here. Here 8th length is given. Okay, how 22 is coming? How 22 is coming, that we need to find it out. Okay, how 22 is coming, that we need to find it out, but here this is given. So what I'll do is I'll just write it down, the question. After that we'll solve it. Okay, very very interesting question, classic question it is. So everyone just pay attention. I'll just write it down, just a second. Have you understood the question little bit? So 0 1 5 8 9 10 17 17 and 20. Okay, now understand the question. Just a second guys. हाँ हेलो, मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ. हाँ कोई इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है क्या? ओके ओके ठीक है, मैं करता हूँ देखो। हाँ okay, now look at the screen everyone, look at the screen. Can you see the screen? Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is array. Okay, this is array, this is the rod. Okay, if you sell 0 meter it is 0 price, if you sell 1 meter it is 1 price, if you sell 2 meter it is 5, if you sell 3 4 5 6 accordingly this many prices are there. So 5 6 7 8, clear? Length is 8, length is 8. Now see, now everyone observe, if you sell the if you sell the rod directly 8 meters, what is the price? What is the price?
8 rupees.
No, what is the price? 8 meter, this is meter, this is long meter. What is the price?
20 rupees.
20 rupees. Okay, if you sell 8 meter directly it is 20 rupees. But if you are thinking that no, I don't want to sell uh, 8 meter, let's say I want to sell 6 meter plus 2 meter, this is also 8 meter, right? So in if I sell 6 meter, what is 6 meter? 6 meter is 17, 17 plus 2, what is 2 meter? It is 5. So 17 plus 5 is 22. So which one is greater, 20 rupees or 22 rupees is greater?
22.
22. That means selling 6 meter plus 2 meter, it is more beneficial to me. Are you understanding? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So you can also find different combination. For example, 7 plus 1 also do. You can also do 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is also 8. But what is the price? 17 plus 1. So if you sell 7, it is 17 rupees. If you send 1 meter, so it is price 1. It is 18 rupees. But 18 rupees is not greater than 22. Okay. So you leave it. Now you can also sell 6 plus 2. You can also sell 5 plus 3, it will be 18. You can also sell 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. You can also sell 3 plus 5, so 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 10. Are you understanding? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
You can also sell 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. If you sell 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, what is the answer? It is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. It is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, it is 20, but 20 is lesser than. Okay,
20.
you can also sell 3 plus 3 plus 2, so 3 plus 3 plus 2 is 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 2 is 16 plus 5 is 21, still lesser. You can also sell 4 plus 4, 9 plus 9 18. Any combinations whatever is allowed you can do that. Am I clear with this question? Yes.
Sir.
Interesting question, isn't it? Interesting question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Cool. Now observe everyone. Observe nicely. Okay, it is little bit uh, confusing, but I'm sure you guys will understand. Is everyone there? Is Neha there? Is Nanashri there? Yamuna is there, I know.
Yes, sir.
Yamuna, you are saying yes. I want others to reply.
Yes, sir.
This is Neha, I guess. Nanashri?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. See, I can recognize you by your voice. Okay, so all all right. What I'll do is I'll explain it. It is little confusing. Observe properly, otherwise you will not understand. Okay, so observe now. I will create a DP. Sneha, where is Chandrakala? Do you know? She's your classmate, right?
Yes, different branch, other branch.
Okay, where is she right now? Why is she not joining?
I didn't.
Am I clear with this, DP?
Yes, sir.
So n is what? N is length. What is the total length? Total length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 9, what I'm doing is 8 plus 1 9. Why 9? Because of 0 also. Clear? Length is 8 only, but 0 I'm just keeping 0. Got it? This much? Got it this much?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll be filling everything with 0 in the beginning. Everything is 0. Okay, now in order to sell, if I want to sell 0 length, what is the amount? What is the amount I will get always?
1.
How 1? You are selling
Zero, sir.
zero length. Who will give you 1 rupees? It is, I'm talking about amount right now. Don't think about ways. This is not ways. You are confusing ways and amount. Amount is, if you are giving 0 length to someone, how much amount you will get? How much amount you will get?
0.
Huh? How much amount you will get?
Zero.
0. It is 0. Understanding? So for 0 length, it is 0 amount. This should not be, there should not be any confusion to this. Okay. Next is, from 1 we can start. From 1 we can start traversing. Okay. First, everyone observe first. It is little confusing. Everyone observe properly. First of all, I will start from 1. Okay, amount 1. My amount is, length is 1. Okay, my length is 1. Now my max value, I will set a temporary value. Okay, my maximum value, you can take any number, but you have to take as low as possible. So I am taking -1. Okay, it is just a comparison, global variable to compare. Max value, I am keeping it -1. Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. Now see, what is length? Length is 1. Okay, length is 1. Right now, length is 1. So if length is 1, I can change for how many length? Tell me. Now right now think it as your scale is of length 1. Okay, now just think of, don't think your scale is of length 8. Just you think your length is, scale length is 1. Okay, now you have to, what options you can change? Tell me, what options you can change? What options you can change? You can change 0th length and 1 length, isn't it? 0 and 1 is the only option you have. Understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now see, you have to find the always find the maximum value between the last maximum and the current maximum. Okay, so how do you find current maximum? There's a formula again. Formula is, this is dp. Okay, dp of, look at the formula everyone properly. Dp of amount. What is the amount? Length. What is the length? Length is 1 plus 1. I'll just write the formula first. Dp of amount plus, okay, it is not amount actually, it is the length you are cutting. Okay, length. What are the options of length you are having? So length plus 1. How many options you are cutting? Length plus 1 plus value of dp of, okay, so see, one more thing, it is not dp, it is price. Price means the earlier price. This is price chart, guys. This is price chart, this is value chart. Okay, do not mix both. This is value and this is price. Okay, so now this is dp also, you can say dp. Okay, so I'm directly referring it as dp. So dp of the amount. What is the amount? Amount is L minus total cut. So I'll just take it as cut. Okay, see how many cut you can do. It is little confusing, but I'll explain you, no issue. Cut equal to what are the possibilities of cut? Here L is 1, length is 1. Cut possibilities are till 0 you can cut this time. Okay, L minus length, total length minus j. What is j? J is nothing but total cut minus 1. This is the formula. Okay, did you understand? Tell me yes or no. Did you understand? Did you understand?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
What? Who understood it? Who understood it?
So me.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain me? Can you explain?
Yes,
Try it.
sir.
Can you explain?
Plus 1. Right. Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Your voice is breaking. Okay, try it. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I can't hear you.
So now?
Yes, you can hear. I can hear you. Tell me. Tell me.
Yes, sir. First, we will take the price.
Okay. Price. Are others able to listen to her?
In the
Uh,
first
your voice is breaking. Sneha, your voice is breaking.
price
Sneha, your voice is breaking. Fine, I'll just explain it. No issue.
of the total count.
Sneha, your voice is breaking. Can't hear at all. Others, are you able to hear Sneha?
No, sir.
No, right? Okay, Sneha, you are having issue. You can just off it. I'll explain.
Count plus
Hello, 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 Sneha.
one,
Sneha, I'm not able to hear you.
and then we will add the dp of uh, length of the. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not able to hear you. No, no one is able to. Just yeah, got it, got it. Yeah. Okay, just listen to me. Where is Nanashri now? Nanashri, don't leave the class. Just this is the last question. Okay, maybe you are having internet issue. I got you. Okay, so now understand this. Understand this. Are you guys there? Tell me yes or no. Just someone tell me yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now see, this is the formula that you need to remember. It is very interesting formula. You check it out. See, right now, I'll start with one by one. I'll start with L. Okay, what is L? L is length 1. So I'll always start with length 1. Okay, so let's say my length. Okay, I'll start with always length 1. So if I'm having length 1, in how many pieces I can cut? Tell me. Can I cut first of all? My maximum is -1, right now my maximum is -1. So if I am having length 1, can I cut it? Can I cut it?
Yes.
Can I cut? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How I will cut? One length, how I will cut? Length 1 I cannot cut, because 0 length, if you cut, it is nothing, 0. You can't cut, and you can't cut half also. Half is not allowed. You just have to cut in a discrete manner. Discrete means one integer manner, not a float manner. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So you can't cut this one. Okay, so what is the value is here? Look at the formula. The formula is price of C. What is C? C is 0. The only thing you can cut is 0. Okay, so this length you can cut further into 0. This is the only option left. See, if your 1 is here, you can only cut 0, right? But even if you cut 0, 1 is remaining. Still 1 is remaining, right? So what is the price of C? Price of C is 0 right now. C is 0. This is the only option you can cut. C is the cut. C is for cut. Okay, so C 0 meter you can cut. If you are cutting 0 meter, C plus 1, 0 plus 1. What is 0 plus 1? What is
1.
0 plus 1? 1. So what is the price of cutting 1? What is the price of cutting 1?
1.
1, right? So 1 plus dp of L. What is L? Length is 1, cut is 0, minus 1. So ultimately what you are doing? 1 minus 1 is 0 minus 0. So ultimately dp of 0. What is dp of 0? dp of 0 is
0.
0. So 0 plus 1 is
1.
1. So I'll change the value to 1. What are you getting here from here? We'll understand logically later. We'll understand the formula later. First tell me logically what you are understanding. Logically, story wise, what you are understanding. In order to cut, length is 1. So even if you cut 0, after cutting 0, it has no value. So what is remaining? C is remaining. So C is cut. So 0 plus 1. Okay. So if you do 0 plus 1, price of 1 is still 1. Okay. Price of 1 is 1 plus dp of, you are checking after that cut. After that cut, what is the price? Okay. So L is total length 1 minus C. What is minus C? Minus C is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 why you are doing? Minus 1 why you are doing, can you tell me? Because of index. It is just because of index. Okay. So 1 minus 1 is ultimately it is dp of 0. What is dp of 0? dp of 0 is 0. Okay. So 0 plus 1. What is 0 plus 1? 1. So think logically first. Here I am telling you length 1 is there, and if you cut 0, ultimately it is length 1 is remaining, right? Length 1. What is the length 1 price? Length 1 price is 1. Understood? I'll come to the
Yes, sir.
formula. I'll come to the formula. Don't think about formula right now. Just think logically. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now let's move to 2. Okay. Let's move to 2. See, you will understand it little later. First, just look at it. So my length is 2, and my again maximum here. I'll take maximum later. Okay. Maximum later. Okay. You also have to compare with the previous one and this one. Okay. So but later we can do that. So length is 2. What are the cuts we can do? What are the cut we can do?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. We can cut 0 and 1. 2, how you can cut? If you cut 2 length is 2 and you are cutting 2, what is remaining? Remaining 0. What is the point of cutting remaining 0? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So ultimately it is 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. So if you cut, see, if you cut, let's first do this 0. Okay, let's first do this 0. 0 means you are cutting 0. So from the length 2, if you are cutting 0, what is left out?
2.
2. So you are checking the price of 2. What is the price of 2?
2.
What is the price of
5.
2? 2 is
5, sir.
5. Understanding? So what is C? C plus 1. So here let's check C. What is C? C is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So price of 1 is 1. 1. 1 plus dp of L. What is L? L is 2. 2 minus C is 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So dp of 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. Wait, am I missing something? Price of C. Price of cut plus 1. Price of cut plus 1 plus value of length will start from 1. Length will start from 1. So length minus cut minus 1. Okay, so okay, let's check it with the value first. Okay, let's check with the value first and then we will compare. Okay, so first, what is the value, guys? Let's find it out again. Tell me. My cut is 0 right now. Okay, my cut is 0. What is 0 plus 1? P of 0 plus 1? 0 plus 1 is 1.
1.
So 1, P, it is 1, right? And dp of L is 2, cut is 2, 2 minus 0 is 0, 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. What is dp of 1? dp of 1 is 1. Ultimately, it is 2. So 2 and 0 is, here you will put 2. Clear? Clear with this? Now what is 2? What is 2? Think of it, what is 2? If the length is 2, cutting 0 plus 1, okay, here I think we are playing with C. Why we are doing C plus 1? I am under C. Everyone observe. Now see, I'll change this value. What is C? What is C value now? C value is 1. Okay. Now what is 1 plus 1? What is 1 plus 1?
2.
2. So what is P of 2? Price of 2?
5.
5. Price of 2 is 5. 5 plus dp of L, length is 2 minus cut is 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 2, it will become 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is dp of 0? dp of 0 is 0. And price is 5. So 5 is greater or 2 is greater?
5.
5 is greater, so you will replace 5 here. So logically, tell me what you are understanding. Logically, what you are understanding, tell me. Leave the formula. I'll explain you. I've got it. Leave the formula. Tell me what you are understanding. So let's say, see, let's say length 2 is there. This is length 2, rod is there. Okay. If you cut 1, 1, 1, if you cut 1, 1, what is the length? What is the price? Price of it?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. Why? Because price of cutting 1 is 1 and another is 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now you are cutting 2 and 0. Okay. So you are not cutting here anymore. You are cutting it directly here. So 2 is this and remaining is 0. So you check for price 2. What is price 2?
5.
Price 2 is 5. So 5 plus, if you cut 2, what is remaining?
0.
dp of 0. Okay, 0 is remaining. So dp of 0 is 0 ultimately. Value is 0. Okay, so from here you found 0 and from here you are finding 1. Understanding? Understanding? So 5 plus 0 is 5. So you will put 5. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here you don't confuse it. C plus 1. What is C plus 1? Are you understanding? C plus 1? C plus 1 is C. When you are cutting 1, you are checking the price of 1 plus 1. Means price should be starting from here actually. Price should be starting from here, but as it is starting from 0, you are doing plus 1. You are doing plus 1. Means price should start from 1. but as it is starting from 0, you are doing plus 1. So what does it mean? It means that this cut you are cutting, right? You are cutting this cut, so you are cutting minus 1. So you have to do plus 1. So for example, if you are cutting 1, means you are cutting this one actually, this one. Okay, this one means price of 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you should go here. Okay, are you understanding this little bit? Are you understanding?
Yes.
So I can do it one thing. If we can change the formula, can we change the formula? See, because of eighth length is given, right? But if you cut 1, my index is 1. Okay, my price for cutting 1 is in index, second index. That is the problem. Second index means second, here it is present. For cutting 1, it is present in the second index. Okay, for cutting 2, this price is present in the third index. Okay, so I have to go C plus 1, third. C is cutting plus 1, so that you can get the actual price of that cutting. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Okay, now see, let's do further so that we can get the clear picture. Okay, so what is length now? 2 is done. What is length? 3. For length 3, what are the cuts you can do?
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2. Okay, for 0, if you are cutting, what is the price? So length 3. Okay, I think basically, see, length 0, cut 0 means after cutting it here, what is remaining? No, after
3.
first I have to cut here. So if I cut here, what is remaining? First 0 cut, after that 1 1 cut, and then 2 cut. Okay, so 3 is there. First we'll cut 0. Okay, let's do it using formula first. Okay, let's do it first using formula. What is P? P is price of C plus 1. C plus 1 is 0 plus 1. What is 0 plus 1?
1.
0 plus 1 is 1. So if you are cutting 1 length, so look at this, guys. Understand this. This is for cutting 1 actually. For length 1, price is this. For length 2, price is this. For length 3, price is this. Are you understanding? Are you understanding this? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, C is 0. I'm taking it 0. But can you cut 0, guys? Can you cut 0? Can you cut 0? Is it possible in
No.
logically? No, it is not possible. That's why what we are doing, 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So that price of cutting 1 length is 1. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So logically it is not possible. Just that price is given 1 extra. That's why you are doing C plus 1. Are you clear with this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Now see, 2 means what? 2 means, see, everyone observe. First length is there. Okay, 3 is there. Okay, first length is there, 3 length is there. What are the possibility you can cut? First cut is 3 possibilities
0.
are there, right? First is 0. If you are cutting 0, what is left out? 3 left out.
3.
Okay, what is the price of that 3? Price of the 3 is
8 rupees.
8 rupees. Okay, this is for 0. If you cut 1, if you are cutting 1, what is the price of this 1?
1.
1. And what is the price of remaining 2 length?
5.
5.
5. So 5 plus 1 is
6.
6. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll cut 1. I have cut, right? Now I'll cut 2 1. Okay, now I'll increase the count 2. So if I cut 2 directly, what is the price? Check it here, value. Okay, check it.
5. 5.
Price of cutting 2 is 5. 5 plus remaining. What is remaining? 1. 1 is
1.
remaining. So dp of 1 is 1. So 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2 both are same anyway. So 866. But what is the highest one? What is the highest
8.
one? 8. So I'll put 8 here. Understanding? I'll just do logically right now. Okay, I'll just do logically, after that we can find out formula. Okay, now next let's go for 4. Okay, 4 length. First, if I cut 0, then what is remaining?
4.
4 remaining. What is the price of 4?
4.
9 rupees.
9 rupees, right? So I'll write 9 here. I don't know which one is greater, so I'll just keep 9. Okay, next is if I cut 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. So what is the price of cutting 1? 1 is 1.
1 rupees.
1 and 3 for cutting 3. What is the highest value
8
we are getting?
rupees.
8. So 1 plus 8 is 9. Again same
9.
thing. So if I cut 2 2,
10 rupees.
so it is 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. If I cut 3 and 1, 3 cutting price is 3
9.
is 8. 8 plus 1 is 1, 9. So what is the highest one? 10.
10.
So it will be 10. Okay, now let's see for let's see for 5. So if I let's check for 5. Let's first understand it logically and then we will move into the 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, or
Highest is 13.
wait, one by one will do. So if I sell directly 5 rupees, what is the amount? 10, right?
10.
10 is the amount, first amount. If I cut 1 and 4, selling price
10.
of 1 is 1 and 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. If I sell it 2 and 3, then 2 is 5 and 3
13.
is 13. So it will be 13. If I sell 4 and 1, selling price of 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. If I sell 5, then it is 10. Highest is 13. Got it? For 6, if I cut 1 cut, then 0 cut, leave 0 cut because there is no point of 0 cut. Okay, if I cut 1 plus 5, what is 1 plus 5 cut? Price of cutting 1 is 1 and 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. Okay, for which amount we are doing? 6, right? 1 plus 5, no, it is 1 plus 5. 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 11. Now if I cut 6 into 2 into 4, 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4? 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 10 is 15. Now if I cut into 3, then it is 8 plus 8, 16. If I cut 4 into 2, 4 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 13. If I cut 5 into 1, 10 plus 1 is 1, 11. If I cut 6 directly, it is 17. Which one is highest? 17 is the highest. Getting it this much? Getting it? Wait, I have done a mistake, I guess.
Yes, sir.
I've done a mistake, yes. Okay, 2 plus 6. Tell me 2 plus 6. So for getting 6, I will get 17 price, and for 2, what is the remaining 2? Remaining 2 is 5. So 17 plus 5 is 22. 22. Okay, for 7 plus 1, what you will do? You will see 1 by 1 cut. Okay, so first you will cut 1. Okay, then you will cut 2, then you will cut 3, then you will cut 4, like that. What is the highest cut? Highest cut you will find
18.
18. Which cut? 7. How will you cut?
6 plus 1.
6 plus 1. Okay, 17 plus 1 is 18. There are no other possibilities. 3 plus 3 plus 1, 16 plus 1, 17. 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? 17. 9 plus 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Okay, 17 is the highest one. Okay, for 8, what you can do?
Sir, can you explain for 6 how did you get 22?
Okay, I'll start from the beginning. See. So first, this is length is 6. Okay. Okay, for 6 we will not get 22. For 8 we will get 22 actually. Yes. For 6 it is
Yes, sir.
17. 17 is the highest. That is,
Yes, sir.
if you cut 17, then only 17. Yeah, I was doing mistake. Yeah. For 7 also 17. And now for
18, sir.
8 you will get 22. So you will check this,
Okay.
and you will cut into 6 and 2. Now you will check what is 6 price. 6 price is 17, and 2 price is 5. So 2 plus 17 is 22. So at last you will find the answer here.
Sir, for 7 it is 18.
For 7,
For 7 it is 18.
18.
So it is 6 plus 1, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we will get this using this formula. Okay. Now let's try to understand this formula, everyone. Have you understood this formula now? Have you understood this? Let's just dry run one. Okay, let's just dry run once for 8. Okay, for 8 we will dry run once, so that we will be clear. Okay, for 8 we'll dry run. So let's say we have not found this 8. Let's say we have not found this 8. 8 is still 0. Are you guys there with me? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So let me remove all this. So first I am trying to cut L. L is 8. So if I am trying to cut 8, I have all the possibilities from 0 to 7 cut. Okay, so 0 to 7 cut, basically I am cutting, see, 0 to 7, when I am telling, it is I am cutting from 1 to 8. Okay, 1 to 8. So if I am cutting from 1 to 8, I have to do C plus 1. So if it is 0 here, it means 0 plus 1 I am cutting. Okay, so that's why I am doing C plus 1. So C is the cut I am doing. Cut means this cut. So I can cut so everyone observe. So I can cut c equal to 0 to 7. I can cut, understanding, 0 to 7. And when I mean 0 to 7, the prices are will be cut plus 1. Why cut plus 1? That means when I say 0, 0 is 0 plus 1, my 1 cut is here, price 1. So basically it is 1 to 8 cut. Basically it is 1 to 8 cut, just because of the index we are doing from 0 to 7. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding? Basically I am doing 1 to 8 cut, but just because of index I am doing -1, but the price are in the same context. So what I should do, 0 plus 7 I'll do plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So the price of cutting 1 I will get in 1. Okay, the price of cutting 1 I will get in 2. The price of cutting 2 I'll get in 3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so I'll dry run it again. So first is cut uh 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, lot of cuts. Okay, let's check it one by one. Let's check it few of them. Okay, if we understand, then it is fine. So first of all, what I'll do, I will check 0. So 0 means cut 1 actually. Okay, cut 1. So price of 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So what is the price of cutting 1? Tell me fast. Be little fast.
1.
1. So 1 plus dp of, after cutting 1, what is remaining?
7.
7, right? So dp of L is 8. 8 minus c is 0. 0 minus 1 I am doing. Okay, so
7.
8 minus 1 is 7. So dp of 7, what is dp of 7?
18.
18. So 1 plus 18 is what?
19.
19. Okay, 19 is, when you are finding 19, when you are cutting 1 plus, no, when you are finding 19, how you are finding 19? When you are cutting 8 into 1 plus 7, is it? No, is it 19? First of all, check it. I guess it is 18. I think it is 18. So c plus 1, price of c plus 1 is 0 plus 1, price of 1 is 1. So 1 plus dp of L. What is L? L is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So 18. Is it 18, guys? Check it out once. For 7 I'm doubting it is 18. Is it 18?
Sir, should the length be now 7, because already 1 we have given for the price of cut 1.
Should the length be?
7 for the DP of, because for the 1 length we are giving, right? Price, not for the 0 length.
Explain me again. I didn't understand.
Sir, for so it is cut is 0, the length remaining is 8, but for the price we are giving for 1 length.
Ah.
So should the length be 7 for the second case, DP of L minus C minus 1?
Okay, so let's take it 7. L is, length is 7, let's say. So 7 minus dp of 7, right? 7 minus 1 you are saying, so 6, 16, 6 is 17 plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
17 plus 1 is 18. So what you are doing here, you are cutting 8 into, you are cutting 8 into 1 plus
It's
7, is it?
1 plus 7.
Yes, 1 plus 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So we are doing, actually we are doing length uh 7, length 7.
We can give for price on your
For price only means
P of C minus 1 plus P of L minus C minus 1.
P of C minus 1 you are saying here.
No, not there, sir. P of C plus 1 plus D. Instead of DP, if we give P, we'll get the answer.
dp of P, dp of price. uh
Or else, if we are taking from 0, if we give C minus 1, we'll get the answer.
No, dp of price you can't get. Basically you are directly jumping into the price, but what we need to find is the length minus the cut, and you need to go back, and from there you need to find the new price. That's what the formula is telling you. You can't directly just check the price, because see, because the price is given for the new cut. Okay, whatever new cut you are doing, you have to take it from the price, but whatever the old cut remaining, old cut you have to take it from the dp. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So if there is 8th length, you are cutting 1, so that one price you can take it from price, no doubt, but that 7 length you have to check from the dp, because this 7 how we are cutting, we don't know. We don't know how we are cutting this 7, but for the 7 length the highest maximum value we can get is 18. Are you understanding this?
Yes, sir. Then for the P, we should give C minus 1. We cannot give for one length, no, sir. If it is,
C minus 1 you are telling, so length minus c if I am doing, what is length minus c?
yes, sir. P of C minus.
Basically here I think we are little bit confusing in the index. Okay, index we are confusing little bit. So L minus C, what is L minus C? 8 minus 0, right? 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So you are checking for 7 length. Length is dp of, okay, 7 minus 1 you are doing. 7 minus 1 is 6. 17 plus 1 is 18. Okay, is it 18 for the first one? Is it 18 for the first one? Are you guys there?
Sir, how are we cutting, sir?
Okay.
Is it 0 plus 8 or 1 plus 7?
Wait. Don't confuse me. Don't confuse me. Uh, till 7 we are clear. Okay, so let's take it one by one. Are the other two girls there? Sneha and Nanashri, are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I think we can do some changes in the formula. Help me out in that. Help me out in that, everyone. Help me out in changing the formula little bit. Okay, so we are making the formula little bit change. Okay, just help me out in that. So price of 0, price of 0 is 0, price of 1 is in 1, right? 1. But when we are cutting 0, it does not make sense. When we are cutting from 0, it does not make sense, right? So we have to cut from 1. Okay, can we directly cut from 1? Can we directly cut from 1 to
Yes,
8?
sir.
Yes. So instead of cutting from 0 to 7, let's cut from 1 to 8, and then I'll not do this plus 1. I'll remove this plus 1. I'm cutting from, length is 8, I'm cutting from 1 to 7. Is it better?
Yes, sir.
5 4 5 6 7 4 5 6 7. Okay, last everyone observe. Let's finish this and then you are done. Okay, I understand time is up, but still let's do it. Okay, so let's let's count it. Now I'm cutting 1. Okay, I'm cutting 1. Think logically, guys, think logically. For cutting 1, what is the price? Now do I have to do plus 1?
1.
Do I have to do plus 1? Tell me.
No, sir.
No, I don't have to do plus 1. Directly we can get the price. Okay, so what is price? Price of cutting 1, it is 1. Okay, now after cutting that 1, what is dp of 8 minus 1?
7.
8 minus 1 is 7, right?
7.
So dp of 7, what is dp of 7?
18.
18. Is it correct? Check it. Check that one. Check that one. So 7, if you cut 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, it is 17 plus 1, 18. So if you cut 18, 18, 18 plus 1 is 18. So total is 19. So I'm cutting 1 and 7. Okay, is it 19? Tell me, is it 19? Is 19 possible by any way? Check it.
No, sir. No. No, sir.
Then what mistake we are doing in this formula?
In the formula, can we add dp of L minus C minus 1?
L minus C minus 1. So if you are doing this, then you have to do plus 1, right? Okay, let's check this way. Let's check it. L minus means 8. 8 minus C is 1. So it is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So dp of 6. Okay, minus 1 because of, I guess, you are indexing, right? Index starts from 0. That's why we are taking, let's say. So in order to cut 7, I have to go in 6. So 6 is 17. 17 plus 1, 18. Okay, let's check it that way. Let's understand it that way. It is 18, let's say. Okay, first is 18. Understood till here? Let's just try do trial and error. We'll get
Yes, sir.
Second, what is the second cut? Second cut is 2, right? So what is the price of
2.
second cut? 5. So 5 plus
5.
dp of 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2? 6. 6 minus 1 is 5.
5.
So 5 cutting of 5 is 13. So 13 plus 5 is
18.
18. So it is still same. So we'll keep it 18. Okay. Next. What is next? 3. What is 3? 3 is, if you cut 3, 8.
8.
8 plus dp of
8 plus
remaining 5. dp of 5, I guess. dp of 4. dp of 4.
4.
10.
4.
It is still
dp
18.
4.
It is still 18, right? So
Yes, sir.
next we'll move for 4. 4 is 9. 9 plus dp of 4. There is dp of 3. So dp of 3 is 8.
3.
So 8 plus 19 is 9 plus 8
17.
is 17. Okay,
Seven.
it is still less, so it is fine. Next, let's go to 5.
5.
So cutting 5
10.
is 10. 10 plus dp of 8 minus 5
3.
minus 1. 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So
2.
what is
DP
2?
of 2.
5, 15. Okay,
15.
15. It is lesser, so no problem. Now 6. Let's come to 6. So first 6 is
17 plus
17 plus
1.
8 minus DP of 1. What is DP of 1?
1. 18.
Is it DP of 1? Okay, let's check it. 8. What is 8? 8 minus C. What is C? C is, what is the cut right now? 6, right?
Yes, sir.
8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so cut 1 is 1. So 17 plus 1 is 18. Okay, cool. Now let me cut for 17 and then check. So 17, if you cut 7th cut, it is 17. Okay, so 17 plus dp of 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. But it should be 6 and 2, right? 6 and 2. So look at the 6. So 6 is 17. So while cutting 6 minus 6 means 8 minus 6.
8
What is
minus
8
4.
minus 8 minus 6? What is 8 minus 6?
2.
2. 8 minus 6 is 2. dp of 2. So I think minus 1 will not be added. Okay, then only we are getting the answer as 5. Then only we are checking. Okay, let's do it. I'll write the formula. After that we'll check it in the compiler. Okay, understanding? You have understood little bit, right? Let's just check it after writing the code. Let's compare it. Understanding? So here only one thing you have to remember. I am changing L. L means the length. From where to where I am changing? The length L, from where to where I am taking? From 1 to the number itself. Okay, the length is from 1 to number itself I am taking. And J, what is J? From where to where? From 1 I will start. From 1 I'll start and till what point? Till L point. Okay, L, if L is 8, J will come till 7. Okay, and then this is the formula. Remember this formula. Let's check it out. Are you clear with this little bit? Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. Are you guys there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me write the code. Okay, let me write the code. Everyone just observe. I'll take this input. Take this input. I'll just write it in a compiler first. Online. Let's then after that we'll change. Okay, first price is there. Price is given. P is given. Clear with this? Clear with this? Clear with
Yes,
this?
sir.
Done? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next is DP. DP is what? DP is what, guys? DP is 0 into n plus 1. What is n? N is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me just write here n. N is nothing but len of p. Okay, what is len of p? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear, everyone? Clear everyone? Length of P is 8. Okay, 8. So what I'll do,
Yes, sir.
8 plus 1. Why 8 plus 1? Because 0 to 8. Understanding this?
Sir,
Yes, tell me. Tell me anything.
sir, isn't the length of P 9?
Length of P is 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, yeah, it is 9. Now here what they are asking, eight plus 1, is it given anything? 8 pieces of length, right? 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so I will write here 9. So that means 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, ultimately I can take it 9 only, right? I can take it 9 only. That is 0 to 8. Understood?
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Yes, 0 to 8. Okay, no issue. Now what I'll do, I'll run a for loop. For I means it is not I, it is what I have taken length. For L in range, where to where? For range, where to where? From range, where to where? Tell me. 1 to 8 I was running, right? From range 1 to 8. So I'll run from 1 to n, means 1 to 8. N is 9. N is 9 here. Understand that n is 9. Got it? Got this
Yes,
much?
sir.
Okay. Now max value. What is max value? MV. Okay, MV, I'm just putting it as -1 so that I can compare with the current value and then I'll check. Okay. Now for cuts, for C in range, from where to where I'll cut? From where to where I'll cut? I have changed the cut in the
1 to 7.
explanation. 1 to 1 to
7.
7.
7.
Okay, 1 to 7 is basically 1 to uh, L. L is the cut. If L is 1, I'll cut from 0. So 0. Okay, actually, see, if L is 1 means I'm cutting 0. If L is 2, I'm cutting 0 and 1. Okay, so basically I am cutting from 1 to L plus 1. L plus 1 means if I have to cut 1, I am cutting from 1 plus 1, 2. I am putting it here 2 so that it can cut at least 1. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? See, in order to cut 1, I told you I have to at least cut once, right? I can't cut 0. So I'm starting from cut 1. So if I'm having length 1, after I cut 1, what is remaining? It is 0. So at least one time I should be able to cut, right? One time. So that means what? Length plus 1 is 2. So right now length is 1. First loop length is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So if I write 2 in the for loop, then only I can run one time. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. Now the main thing starts. MV is the max value of the last one. What is the last one? MV. And the formula. What is the formula? P of C. P of C means P of that cut. Okay, after cutting, what is the price? Plus dp of what? L means the length minus cut. Are you understanding? Are you understanding?
Yes.
Okay, after that you change the dp of L the current position with the max value. After finding the highest value, you come outside and you change the value. Understood? Now let's print it. Let's print the dp of n not n, dp of, let's say 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, n minus 1. Clear with this? Are you understanding little bit of the overall thing? Yes? Okay, let's run it. See, 22. Now if I print the dp, yes, this also work. Okay, this also works. See, this is the price. Is it correct one? Check it out. Is it correct one? Is it matching with ours? Check it. See, is it matching with ours? It will be 22. 1
Yes,
0
sir.
1 5 8 10 13 17 18 22. 0 1 5 8 10 13 17 18 22. Is it matching? Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, then yeah, I was making it more complicated by putting it here c plus 1, and I was starting it till l, so that's why it was confusing. Okay, then I'm doing minus 1 here. Okay, why all this? So make it simple, just cut it from 1, don't cut 0. Okay, don't cut 0. It is now easy, right? Are you understanding this now? Answer is 22. Okay, dp of n. Got it or not? Everyone got it? Are you there? Are you guys there?
Excuse me, sir. Your voice is breaking.
Okay, my voice because of internet, I guess. Just a second. Just a second. Okay, is am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, is it simpler now? Is it simpler? I'll again once again tell it, explain you. First is n. N is what? 9. Okay, 9. Why? Because 0 to 8. Okay, and I'm creating dp of 9. Now 1 to n I will be cutting the length. I'll not cut from 0. Okay, I'll not cut from 0. I'll cut from length 1 to 8. Okay, 1 to 8. So for cutting 1 to 8, I have to run length 1 to 8. Now max value is mv, and for cut also I am doing from 1 to l. Are you understanding this 1 to l? Are you understanding this 1 to l? Means if length is 1, I will cut only 1. If length is 2, I will cut 1 and 2. If length is 3, I'll cut 1, 2 and 3. I'll not cut from 0. Okay, so next here, each and every time I'm checking with the previous one and the current one. What is current one? P of C. What is P of C? What is P of C? P of price of that cut. What is price of that cut? You will find from the price, and the remaining one you will find from the dp of length minus cut. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Will you forget this? Will you forget this? Okay, now let me check it in the Geeks for Geeks, and let me try it out. Try it yourself. Okay, in what way they are giving, let's check it out. Hey, what was my Geeks for Geeks? Okay, so this is my, okay, got it? Got this one? Code it here. I'll just print it here. Length is price P. I'll change it to P. This this everything is same, print D. Okay, let's run it. What they are asking, main function object.cut rot a, list out of range. What is out of range? Delivered in 0. Let me return if I'm doing in return. They're expecting in return, I'm not sure. Gigs for gigs. List index out of range. Okay, so let's change it to prices. Yes, they have given prices, right? I think we can change it. Price and dp of n minus 1, right? N minus 1 it would be. Okay, I think it will work now. Print. It was dp of n minus 1, right guys? Dp of n minus 1. What is max value? Can't find max. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just write max function if mv is smaller than this, then mv equal to this. Clear with this? They are not allowing max function, so I'm fine. If mv is lesser than this, mv equal to this. What is the mistake guys here? Print object.cut.rot. I should return, is it? I don't know the format of gigs for gigs. P is not defined. What is P? Where is P? P price. Okay, it is price. Okay. What is the answer? Answer is dp of n, right? Dp of n, yes. List out of index. dp of n here I am giving, right? N minus 1. What is the mistake guys? It is 22, right? Are you there?
Yes.
What is this now? What I have changed here?
Sir, you changed the range. Previously for C it was from 1 to L plus 1.
L plus 1. Okay. And it is n minus 1. How it is 22 only, right? Okay. Did I make any mistake here? Check it out. Did I made any mistake here? dp of L equal to this. If mb is less than this, then this. Am I making any mistake? Pardon? Can't hear you. Length of price. Def of n. Def of n definition of n. What def of n? Sneha, what is def of n? It is 9. My output is this. How come this is my output? This should be the output, right? I'm making a mistake here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so price is this n plus 1, I guess then. Here I am not understanding. Here they have given in the question what is this? Here they have given 1 to 20, 0 to 20, and here they are giving 1 to 20. How it is? 1 to 20. So let's check for 1 to 20. I have to change the code little bit for 1 to 20. Okay, so see. Tell me what to change now. Tell me what to change. If it is 1 to 20. 1 to 20. It is not 1, 0 anymore. It is not 0 anymore. Tell me what to change. It is 8 now. 8 plus 1. First I have to do plus 1. Okay, after that what I have to change? 1 to n plus 1, 8. Price of C. So C minus 1, I guess, this time. Yes. Understanding? Are you understanding? Because of 0 is not there, I am doing minus 1. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this. This geeks for geeks is okay. I'll just change it here. What I have changed, len of p, fine, n plus 1, fine. It is still n plus 1. This is n plus 1, right? N plus 1 and n plus 1.
Yes, sir.
And then what else? L plus 1, and then this will be C minus 1. C minus 1 and C minus 1. Okay. Let's now check it dp. Okay. dp of n minus 1. 22. Huh? dp of 8n. Okay. I should return the answer.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Got it. Finally. Finally. Okay, got it right, everyone. The logic is same. The logic is same just because of here and there the index. I am changing this. I have done it earlier. That's why I have put c minus 1. But I was confused with this c minus 1. Why they are putting c minus 1? Because of 0 they are putting. Okay, because of 0 they have started with. So in here they have started with 0, but in here they are starting with 1. Understanding the point? Understanding the point, guys?
Yes, sir.
So if they don't start with 0, you can just do minus 1, you can cut it, and you can cut this also. Okay, but if they start from 0, then you have to do just the previous one. You can just take a screenshot of this, guys. Okay, or also you can take the screenshot of this is a better one. This is a better one, 0. Okay, this is understandable. If you put minus 1, that is little bit changed. Okay, but this is the original one we have done. You can take a screenshot of this so that later on you can practice. Okay, is it done, guys? Tell me. Finally we have done from 8 7:50 we have started. Let's say 8 to 10 we have done 2 hours class. Oh my god. But yeah, that is what, see, this is the beauty of coding. Whenever you are doing coding, you don't watch time. Okay, you can watch, keep a timer, but when you are solving a problem, you go deep into the problem. Okay, you will lose the track of time. That is the beauty of coding. And not just coding, it is a state of flow. What do you mean by state of flow? When you are solving something, you get deep into it, so deep into it that you lose the track of time. And when you lose the track of time, you find a beauty in what you are doing. Then only you will find the beauty of what you are doing. If you just keep watching time, means you are actually not interested in what you are doing. Understanding, guys?
Yes, sir.
So next time when you do something, you do it perfectly, so that you don't think about time. Let the time pass. Otherwise, anyway, why we are alive? Tell me, what is the meaning of life, guys? Tell me, what is the meaning of life? Is there any meaning of life? Is there any meaning of life, guys? Tell me. Is there any meaning of life? We have to finish the class fast. Tell me. Sneha, Nana, Shri, Yamuna, tell me. Is there anything important? Or the purpose is to find the, go into a state of flow? There is no purpose in life. Actually, the purpose is find a work that you can give your life to. Find a work. And how will you find a work? There is no exact way. You can just do a work and you can get lost into that work. Okay, that's it. All right, then you guys can have your dinner. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. I'm not sure if tomorrow's class is there or not.